This is a video showing how I'm going to repurpose this office file cabinet that I thrifted. Let's see, the price on it is $3.99, and it's a pretty nice size type of file storage. I guess it's for the office, and you have like a slide out drawer, some cork material here, and I guess you put paperwork in it. I don't know. I've seen this somewhere in the past, but I hadn't seen this in I don't know how long. I just cleaned it up with some Lysol wipes, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you got a bottom space here if you like. So basically, I wanted to take my makeup, my everyday makeup, which is, I'll just go ahead and show you. There's that little ledge with acrylic, with stuff in it, and stuff stacked up here, there. This is just taking over this tiny little bathroom sink area. So I felt like when I saw this, it just automatically popped in my head. This would be good for to kind of hold it all, can pull it out to work with what I'm using. It feels very sturdy. I think I might need to prop it up a little, put something under there. That's about the size of it. So this is the before mess, and I'm gonna go ahead and transform this thing. See you when I get back. Because I want to take this little calendar here, and I want to hang it up there above the setup. I basically just got some tape and a marker, and use a pen, and I just laid the tape, a strip of tape across here, which is that tape right there, and I marked where these holes are. Took the tape off, put it up there so that I'll have a perfect spot to put these push pins in and hang up the calendar. So this is the after I incorporated this file system for makeup. We're going to start from the top. I nailed up there where I put in tabs where I hung the calendar from the dollar section in Target. And there's my camera. These are things that I just need to know on a daily, the time and the date. And then I have my old little makeup box here, which still houses Q-tips. I have to, those pads, I still have to refill those. And then this one, Q-tips and lip balms. And then this one is panty liners. And I just set my lipstick container right there from 99-cent store. And I have a jar that was thrifted with some kabukis in it. This vase is from the 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. And these are all clean brushes. This is an antique acrylic butter dish my sister gave me, which is also thrifted, that I house my double-ended eye makeup tools in it. And then this is just a bottle of perfume that smells absolutely amazing. I'm borrowing it from my daughter, and it's from Zara. It's called Wonder Rose, but it really doesn't smell like rose. Then on the side of this, I have another one of the thrifted jars, and I just have dirty brushes, eye brushes in it. Well, dirty brushes all together. So these are dirty brushes lying here. The whole point was to get rid of this, but I'll see what happens as time goes by. But these are dirty, these are clean. And on the other side, I just have this tray that was also thrifted, and I have it's a drawer, acrylic drawer, and it has bath bombs in it. And then I have this that I got for Christmas, and it's the aromatherapy happiness, and it's the shower steamers from Bath and Body Works. And then for how I have my makeup, actually this is literally daily makeup type of situation. So you pull this drawer out, the first one, and I just have some beauty blenders back there and sponges, and then some foundations and also concealers. Sometimes I use concealers as foundation. And then this one, we're just dealing with setting powders. This one, it has, those are old, Basically, these are mascaras, but I just used the brush part if I'm not the actual mascara. Mascara is finished. But some eyeshadow in that palette because I use it on a regular. And then some eye and eyebrow tools, like eyeliner, black eyeliner, and eyebrow. And then this next one is just primers. So we have the primers or setting sprays. So we got 2 setting sprays, and the rest are primers for the face. This is one for the eyelashes, and this is for the eyelid. This is some, this should probably go up here because it's a, I'm repurposing the container. What's in it is not the solid soap. And on this bottom row here, I just stuck a couple of mirrors because I don't know what I'm going to do with this section yet. But I still, you know, need handy mirrors, so that's what's there. So you have the sink area that I went ahead and just left that lotion from Bath & Body, from Victoria's Secret. That really doesn't work. But anyways, won't go there. Some lotion after you wash your hands. And then this little ledge here, I went ahead and cleaned it off. And this jar here is just going to be for like hair, color, gray hair stuff, and tools. And there's some hairspray right there. And then this is stuff for let's see. Maybe I should take these out. So then we have my toothbrush that I use and toothpastes. And back over here in this corner is just some tools. Things like, well, pens and pencils, screwdriver, and a toothbrush to just do some cleaning in here. And then some more hair color, gel for coloring my edges. And lotion, and this eye drop don't really work, so I just use it if something get in my eye just to flush it. Vaseline, and this thing here I got for Christmas, which is a lifesaver. And so that's how it all ended up looking. And then this is just a tub of baking soda, so I'm just going to sit it back over here. But anyway, so that's the finished outcome of me incorporating that file cabinet into the bathroom for a daily makeup use storage. And I'm hoping that I can keep it clutter-free. The only thing is well, I'm pretty sure I can keep it clutter-free with this system. It might get makeup-wise dirty, but none of this stuff I use on a regular basis anyways. Well, like this stuff here, I use a perfume daily, but so this should stay a little tidy. And that's not actually February 6th. That's just, I put that in there ahead of time. All right, it's not February 6th. But there you go. The time is right though. That's that. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, guys.